समुद्रा भितर कसल्याच प्रकाराची अफरातफरी जावची न्हय आणि सुरक्षेच्या धोक्यांचेर लक्ष दवरपाची इंडियन कोस्ट गार्डान गोवा कोस्टल पुलिसां खातीर समुद्र सुरक्षेचे विशीं विशेष प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली। ही प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळ 16 ऑक्टोबरच्यान 2 आठवडे चलतली, अशी माहिती इंडियन कोस्ट गार्डाच्या DIGन दिल्या।
We have been doing it for the last 5 to 6 years. It had been stopped because enough personnel were trained and they were in turn training their other people who were coming into coastal security police. But after SP Goekar, त्याने हे आपले कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी पोलिसाचे SP म्हणून टेक ओव्हर केलं। त्याच्यानंतर त्याने थ्रू द DGP has written a requested that he wanted about 160 police personnel to be trained. And after constant licensing from the DGP's office, the Coast Guard has agreed to impart training to this 160 personnel with batches of 20, म्हणजे 7-8 batches चलतले आता आमचे हे जे police training आहे। This training is really very important for a general man doesn't know what is sea, he doesn't know what is seamanship, he has no knowledge about going to sea and working at sea. This is a basic training for people, giving them a brief knowledge of how to go to sea, how to operate at sea, how to man their boats, how to go about a seaman's life at sea. This comes natural to the fishermen of any coastal state, especially Goa. But for an ordinary person who has never gone to sea, it's very difficult task to go to sea. आणि हे आज ट्रेनिंग जे आम्ही चालू केला हिंगा, हे 2 हप्त्यात ट्रेनिंग उरतले आणि त्यांचे पूर्ण सिलेबस आम्ही कोस्ट गार्ड हॅड prepared. In fact, I was the person who had got this book called Baptism at Sea, and basically the word itself says this 2 weeks training तेमका काय एक्सपर्ट करचे ना सीत होयचे, but they will give them, they will be baptized at sea, and thereafter आम्ही आशा करतात की ही पोलीस पर्सनल सीत वचून एक्सपिरियन्स घेऊन they are going to become a good seaman or a good mariner out at sea. In these 2 weeks of training, we have got both practical training and also classroom trainings. They will be taken to the Coast Guard ships, and whatever they have been taught will be explained in practical way. And as you might have heard during my inaugural address, I requested the policemen to take this training from their heart. Until unless they are true to themselves, they won't be able to imbibe or carry home the fact, because it's a new subject. Anything on ground is totally opposite, because the sea, the way you to operate at sea is to go against nature. So this is why I had requested these people to take this training for this next 2 weeks. From their heart they should learn, and more so have to put it in practice when they go back to their respective police boats and operate those boats. Thank you.